Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this Scion key fob. The only thing you need is a small screwdriver about that size, and then also your replacement battery. This takes one of these 1620s. You can get these on Amazon. They're really inexpensive, and there's a link below in the description that will take you straight there. Now what you need to do is take your small screwdriver. This cover will come up this way, but you have to get up underneath it. There's a little lip right here. So you just got to kind of work it up like that and pop it off. All right, now at this point, there's a little decal that says pry it like this, but I think it's easier to go in right here and just use your small screwdriver. Pop that up. Okay, there's your 1620 battery. You can pull that out by, there's a little slot right there. You can stick your screwdriver in right here and pop it out like that. Okay, put your new 1620 battery in. Make sure it goes in like this. Press down. You can see the two tabs right there. And make sure the plus side's facing up. Put that piece back on. Squeeze that back in place. You're back in business. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.